I'm Kim. I'm the owner of Cronulla Florist.
Morning, Kim.
Morning.
How you going?
Good, how are you?
Very well.
I've always loved being a florist. I found my calling, basically. I knew that this was where my passion was.
All right, you got them, Kim?
I fell into floristry, you could say. They're cute. So when this opportunity came about, I didn't hesitate. My own dreams and for my family.
Awesome. But they just came in today.
But it's hard. Being a florist is really busy. A lot of things to do throughout the day. From the minute I get up, it's rushing to get to the markets nice and early, get to the shop. Morning. We have to unpack and present the flowers beautifully, and then we start the orders, deliveries. Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you, Kim.
Customer service, accounting and invoicing. Not a lot of free time. Previously, it was hard for me to keep track of who's paying, what's overdue. It was a bit of a paper trail, and it was quite messy. I would sit on my day off on a Sunday and spend about 4 hours invoicing all my customers. Invoicing on the go is so convenient. I can do it in the comfort of my lounge. I can do it in the car. I can do it while I'm out grabbing a quick bite to eat for lunch. It's not a big weekly task for me anymore. I'm actually enjoying it. QuickBooks is making a huge impact on my business. I've only had it for a short while, but it's already freed up a lot of time, and my Sunday, my only day off, I've got that time now to spend with my son and my family. It's a relief.
You know what's good about this? That we can actually spend some time now that things are more settled in the shop.
Be mum and daughter.
Oh, God.
Success is being able to enjoy life and not just having the headache of running the business, but actually being able to enjoy it